Hey everybody, welcome to day 4 of phonics and spelling. I bet you really know how to study or really know how to spell your words, I should say, by now. So I hope you've been playing games and you've been looking at the list every day and practicing these. There's a couple of them that are kind of difficult, but remember we're adding suffixes to base words. And base word is that original word, and then a suffix is a chunk of sound that we add to the end of a word that gives the base word extra meaning. So if we add ly, we turn it into showing how something is doing something. If we add the FUL, not the FULL, then what we're doing is we're adding the chunk of sound that means full of. All right, so here we go. Now, this is a different way to look at it because the way I did it here is I said base word plus the suffix gives you the new word. Base word plus the suffix gives you the new word. And so we've taken a base word, we've added that chunk of sound, and we've given it to new meaning. All right, so here I read them, and then you'll read them with me. Help plus full equals helpful. Care plus full equals careful. All right, read that with me. Help plus full equals helpful. Care plus full equals careful. So it's full of help and full of care. Okay, next line, my turn. Joy plus full equals joyful. Fear plus full equals fearful. Okay, read those with me. Joy plus full equals joyful. Fear plus full equals fearful. All right, now we're adding that ly to show how something does something. All right, so my turn. Kind plus ly equals kindly. Sad plus ly equals sadly. All right, read it with me. Kind plus ly equals kindly. Sad plus ly equals sadly. He sadly opened the letter. See how he opened it? It showed how he opened it. He kindly picked up her book she dropped. See how he picked it up? He kindly picked it up. Okay, now in sentences. I'll read this one. We'll read it together. Please be helpful and kind to others. Okay, read that. Please be helpful and kind to others. Next one, I'll read it first. You need to be careful on the wet slide. See, the long vowel E comes over and makes the I say its name. If we took the E off, we would have slid, a short vowel. Put the E on, we have the long vowel. Okay, read that with me. You need to be careful on the wet slide. Okay, my turn. He sadly left the beautiful hotel. Now you read it with me. He sadly left the beautiful hotel. All right. So you really need to study these words. If you're wondering, they're right here. And so you've had this list all week. Wonderful being the most difficult and mouthful. So you really need to study these new words. And then you need to make sure that you can uh, read these. And I would even practice maybe spelling these if you already know these, because through or though, I'm sorry, though is a difficult word, okay? So helpful, sadly, hopeful, thankful, slowly, wishful, kindly, useful, safely, painful, mouthful, weakly, jumped, saying, quickly, wonderful. And those are your spelling words, and we'll be taking this test tomorrow. All right, so be studying them.